Looking for shower or wet room installation in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have a bathroom that's both functional and stylish. Our shower or wet room installation services provide custom solutions for your space with high-quality waterproofing and modern designs. Whether you're upgrading for accessibility or aesthetics, we ensure a durable, leak-free result. In Sherwood Park, we understand the local need for reliable, long-lasting installations, which is why our certified experts specialize in custom shower fitting and wet room designs tailored to your home. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for shower or wet room installation in Sherwood Park.